Alright, hey guys, welcome back. Nautical Ninja here. Today is another Blender tutorial. I am going to show you how to like, warp an object to, like, kind of, like, I don't know what you call it, but, like, basically warp an object to, like, bend and stuff. Basically, bend an object. So let's spawn in a plane. Let's do the thing that I showed you in the last video. So, hold on. This is gonna take a second. I'm just gonna subdivide this. Select the corners. And then B. Do this. Add a few segments. 4, 5. And then I'm gonna AE. Do this. Alright. Now, let's get to this stuff. Now, what you want to do is go to Add and Lattice. Now you want to resize that lattice to look like, resize that lattice to as close as possible to the object that you possibly can in all dimensions. So, gotta make it touch, like, as close as possible. It doesn't have to be exact. Now, let's do this. Go down, go up, line it up. Alright. Now let's see the sides. Okay, now you have the lattice surrounding here. You want to, select the lattice again. And, alright, it's in lattice. I selected it. That's good. Oh, geez, this new version of Blender is so weird. Oops, it's not messed up a bit. Right, now, with the lattice, you want to add a subdivide down the middle of it. So, technically, you can just go into edit mode, but since it's a lattice, that's not really going to work out. So, what you gotta do, oh man, it's so different. Alright, let's do this other step first. Now you want to add a modifier to this, and it's going to be lattice. The object is going to be lattice, okay? And don't apply yet, okay? Do not apply. Go back to the lattice, and you want to add a split down the middle. The problem is, I cannot find out how to do that in this new version of Blender. So, I'll see you in a second. Guys, I'm back. I have to go into the lattice. I forgot. It's literally right here. I just scrolled down a bit, so I didn't notice. Alright, so you have to go into the lattice and split it down the middle like this, okay? Now, we already did the thing, adding a modifier. So, what you want to do is go into edit mode with the lattice and select these 4 corners right here. I don't know if you could see well, but these 4 corners right here, okay? Now, you want to go here and move them down. And boom! As you see, it warps the object. You can do this in any direction you want. And it does not have to just do this with the object, but it's usually the most used common way of using a lattice. So then you can just slightly move the object down. Click on this, apply, or delete the lattice because you don't want that there. That's just extra stuff. And then go to object and shade smooth, and boom, you have a nice smooth curved edge bent down thing that you can use for whatever you want. Alright guys, that's it. I'll see you next time, and bye.